the local municipalities have failed. We've been working 5 years on solar ordinances. The locals cannot write a solar ordinance. We need some kind of standardization. We have standardization about oil wells. I don't have to go to the local township to ask if I can put an oil well in.
The township's got, or had, I think we still have 4 oil wells. And when the oil company came, they came as a courtesy to the township and announced that they were going to do this. But they also plainly told us that we didn't have a say in what they would do, and or anything like that, because it's mandated through the Public Service Commission. Because all around places, when they want to drill an oil well, people have opposition to it, but for the greater good, Public Service Commission makes those decisions and takes it out of the hands of the local municipality.
Local municipalities such as the townships and the county have no authority over issuing any type of permits or constraints or anything else having to do with pipeline and oil well location.
It's something that everybody's going to benefit from as far as the power usage or the power generated, and that's what I equate it to at this point.
A lot of local politics get into it when you're in a small community, a small township. So some of that almost gets to be extortion. You know, they've been looking at that field out their thing, and they want some of that money too. That's part of it. It's really hard to decide. You got to have some standardizations. You do with power lines. You do every other. It's just they want to have some standards. Maybe I'm all wet. Maybe solar's not the answer, but I'd like to at least try. Well, we can't have the local yokel that lives in a trailer out there deciding, and they have.